Hey everyone, this is Marley with MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, and today we're going to do a walkthrough on this brand new 32 Sundancer we just got in from the factory. As you can see, this boat is equipped with the triple engine setup here. We've got triple 250s on the back. This boat is also equipped with joystick, so really nice maneuverability at the dock. Starting at the aft here, we've got a pretty spacious storage area here, so good spot to throw water toys, fenders, life jackets, anything you need access to off the aft of the boat. Now stepping through into the cockpit, we have a sunshade. This is an electric sunshade. It's going to be full shade. All the seating here is going to be fully shaded. You also have a table here that's in the down position now and a sun pad, so you can bring that up, and if you want to enjoy a meal at the aft of the boat, you have that option. Now over here on the starboard side, we've got our summer kitchen, so that's going to include a grill. You've got a sink here, and then you also have a refrigerator freezer combo, along with a nice trash can here as well. This boat has the cockpit AC option, so you're going to have AC blowing on you in the cockpit here, so it stays nice and cool on a hot day. This boat is also the enclosed coupe version, so you're going to have a full height windshield. Full height windshields on the sides as well. You can get this boat with the convertible, so you would have a half windshield around the cockpit here. Now looking at the helm, we're going to have twin Simrad displays here. We've got your new throttle from Mercury, push to start, and then of course we've got our joystick here, so that's going to include the autopilot and the skyhook feature. In addition to all this room we have above deck to hang out, enjoy the boating, we also have a cabin down below. So in the front here we have a V-berth. This table can sit right here. You can also push it down, and there's a pad goes over top. You can use this as an extra sleeping area. And then you also have your main aft berth there. Those will slide together, and you'll have that'll be your main sleeping area. This boat is equipped with a wet head, so you can use this as a shower. It's a vacuum flush head down below. All right, now we're going to check out the bow, and I'm going to show you why this boat is one of our best sellers here at MarineMax. Not only do you have the cockpit area to hang out and enjoy the water, and the cabin if you want to do some overnighting or cool off, you still have this bow area here where everyone loves to ride. Nice big sun pad. You've got your Fusion audio controls, speakers up in the front. A lot packed into this 32-foot boat by Sea Ray. Would love for you guys to come down here and check us out. We have this boat in stock right now, 32 Sundancer. Please come see us here at MarineMax Pompano Beach, or give me a call at 407-446-5990.